Hey Curly Teas! Today let's make another great AHA based serum, this time including watermelon seed extract to help hydrate and exfoliate dead skin cells to get soft, glowy skin. Use distilled or deionized water. As you know, I transfer my distilled water into more durable and smaller bottles. Distilled water is very important when making products. Never use tap water for anything. I refill these bottles as necessary until they give out, but for whatever reason, they still last much longer than the hard, brittle plastic of the gallon jugs. Betaine is a high-quality humectant known for its ability to help hold moisture and smoothen the skin and the hair. This is beet sugar extract, not regular beet sugar. They are not the same. Also, try to get the cosmetic version if you can. Glycerin is an inexpensive but powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin and hair. Now, believe it or not, there are still people dodging glycerin because of something they heard over a decade ago. If making a skincare product especially, try to make sure glycerin is somewhere in the mix. Pentylene Glycol is a versatile ingredient widely used in cosmetics and skincare products. It's said to enhance the efficacy of other ingredients in your formula. It acts as a humectant to keep skin hydrated and has antibacterial properties, supposedly helping your preservation system work better. By the way, what's your favorite humectant to use in skincare anyway? Comment below. Now, if you don't have Pentylene Glycol, use propanediol, another favorite of mine. It's also a humectant and is often used to decrease the stickiness of glycerin when they're in the same formula. Sepinav EMT10 is a polymer used here to add a luxurious lip to the serum. Now here I'm not really using the Sepinav for its gelling ability. Sepinav has a silicone-like feel, so it functions as a feel enhancer in this particular formula. Technically, Sepinav is also an emulsifier, so it should add additional stability to the serum to keep it from separating. The pH range in which it works is 3 to 10. It's compatible with AHAs and DHAs, however, it will lose viscosity once we add the next ingredient, which is fine. Lactic acid is a high-quality AHA that's easy to add to products because it's already in liquid form. It's said to be milder than glycolic acid. Lactic acid helps make the skin smoother. But be careful when using AHAs, especially liquid AHAs, during the production process. Definitely use gloves while handling this. Malic Acid 50/50 solution is a combo of 50% distilled water and 50% malic acid. I make this myself. This form is easier to add to your mix because it's in liquid form. Malic acid is a gentle exfoliator derived from fruit. Like lactic, it helps fight dull, dry skin over time. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. The final product is a full-bodied silky serum that gives just enough playtime to be rubbed into the skin, leaving a smooth feeling behind once dry. If you're not used to using AHAs, please be mindful about how often you use this serum. Maybe try once every 3 days or twice a week at night. By the way, I suggest using AHAs at night underneath whatever additional sealing moisturizer you want to use. This is the version of the serum without any additional fragrance or color. It's ready to use now. Just know that fragrance-free doesn't mean that you won't smell anything. The raw materials used to make this serum will have a slight scent. I'm going to add one of the better soft watermelon scents that I have. It's subtle and works for me in facial products. If you want a more noticeable, like Jolly Rancher type of watermelon scent, you may need to try a different scent than the one I'm using in this video. You can also make this scent more prominent by increasing the percentage. Just make sure to stay within the recommended guidelines. Apparently, this can be used in body lotions up to 11%, but I'd never suggest you to use that much. I'm also going to add a super small amount of color to give it a light pinkish red tint to match the theme of the formula. Now you can use either of these or a little of both. These are water soluble body safe colorants. Now pay attention to your skin. If this combo of AHAs doesn't work for you, you can try using Malic Acid instead, or some combination of Malic Acid and lactic, or lactic and something else. Whatever you feel most comfortable using, try it out, see what's going on, start at a low percentage. Now on the screen, if you're watching at YouTube, there should appear a link to another video to another great AHA-based serum.